As one of the leading global manufacturers of security seals, GÖKERPLAST changed its aim to production efficiency by investing in automated production lines and new generation machineries. GÖKERPLAST offers various types of high-quality security seals with the help of its own R&D department and testing laboratory with more than 15 engineers. GÖKERPLAST Security Seals designs and manufactures its own molds and automation systems in order to find the fastest solutions for its customers. From ISO-certified high-security seals to plastic seals, we offer a wide range of product line with high production capacity. GÖKERPLAST adopts automation solutions in every production step in order to increase production capacity and shorten the lead time. We also adopt a zero-waste policy to our production by recycling our own plastic waste and help our circular economy by using the recycled waste in the production. As we swiftly and decisively move forward to our 2025 goals, we will continue to maximize our digital transformation according to Industry 4.0 developments.